Hello boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle in this puzzle page of Saturday, May the 20th, 2023. I've already solved two puzzles, the 2 stars Sudoku and the killer Sudoku. So two puzzles are left, the tectonic and the binary. Yes, it's a binary time. And this one will be number 6464. 664. Yeah, 664. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 25 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means that in a row or in a column, there are always 5 O's and 5 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes in O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes in O. Between two ones comes in O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Between two O's comes in 1, double one, here no, there no, double O, here one, there one, double one, here no, there no, double O, here one, there one, double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1, between two ones comes in O, double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1, between two O's comes in 1, double one, here no, there no, double O, here one, there one, double one, here no, there no. And double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. And we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, and this should be the fifth O. Alright. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. And an O between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. Well, we have here 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this second row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be no. Double O, here one, there one. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. That box should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, and I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, and fifth O. So that box should be a 1. Alright, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Let me think, 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5, wait, between an 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one. So that box should be an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Let me think. Double O, here one, there one. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, Then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be O, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Finished in 5 minutes. Wow, 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 wow. Without comparing. Wow. I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic. Until then, bye bye for now.